my Hillcrest family, and welcome to the 2020-21 school year. I am your principal, Dr. Sherelle Edmond, and I'm excited about the year ahead. We welcome you as we begin a new learning process. Yes, the virtual online experience for all of us. Please know that we are here for you parents to help you and support you along the way. We are all in this together. Now, more than ever, we need to synergize. So I look forward to meeting each and every one of you soon. But in the meantime, stay safe and welcome to Hillcrest.
Hello, my name is Kylie Spires. I'm new to the Dublin City nursing team. I will be the school nurse for Hillcrest Elementary School this year. I hope everyone has been well over the course of the summer and is looking forward to the new school year like I am, even though we will be currently virtually learning. With that being said, I just wanted to go over a few things that will hopefully make this transition back into school as easy as possible. A few things you can be doing during this time is making appointments with your child's doctor to make sure you are up to date on all immunizations, hearing, vision, and dental screenings, as we will still be required to keep this on record. If your child takes any medications, you can also utilize this time to make appointments with the doctor for medication refills. If your child has asthma, we please ask that you ask your doctor for a handheld inhaler instead of nebulizer treatments. The nebulizer treatments will be a last resort and for emergent situations only. Also, please remember that your child will be required to wear a proper fitting mask on the return to school. You would like to practice with them wearing while doing their schoolwork now, even though we are virtually learning, just to help them get in the habit of wearing and get accustomed to wearing them. If you need anything, you can contact me by calling Hillcrest Elementary School at 478-353-8200 and ask for the nurse. Everyone stay safe, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all at the new school year.